This is Fun with Electronics, Project 4, Part 5BI, where we ask AI to generate a circuit that quickly turns on, but with a delay when turning off. So here's what AI gave me. Well, this is part 4. Let me go to part 5BI. So here it is. So here I ask for the circuit. Here's a schematic, the explanation, and then as a habit, I ask ChatGPT to explain the circuit and the steps in designing it. Here are the steps. And then I ask AI to provide the steps to do all that in hardware. And that's pretty much it. So here we have the circuit drawn. So all that was done here in hardware. So here we have the push button, the 1 mega ohm resistor. Here we have the 100 kilo ohm resistor, the 140 ohm resistor, the blue LED, the NPN transistor, and the 100 microfarad capacitor. All connected, how it's supposed to. Yep. Alright, so let's turn the circuit on and see if it behaves how it's supposed to. Alright, let me zoom out real quick. Alright. So here we're looking at this circuit over here. This circuit. Alright. Alright, let's connect this, okay? As you can see, nothing is happening. And just to show that the circuit is on, so this is a circuit from part 4 where I designed my own circuit. So yeah, this shows that the breadboard is connected to the source, but nothing is happening here on this circuit. So yeah. So basically, AI was unsuccessful in designing this type of circuit. So yeah.